10-minute lower back stretching routine. Doing this daily will completely remove your lower back pain. I'm your coach, Mac, and welcome to Muscle Adventure. Today we'll do some stretches that are very effective in reducing lower back pain. At the same time, they will also improve your lower back mobility. So if you have lower back pain or stiffness, in the next 10 minutes you'll feel a lot of relief. You just need to follow these exercises with me. So let's start. Let's go. Exercise is cross touch and reach. Stand straight, bring one arm forward and touch the opposite foot. Keep switching sides, perfect for warm-up 2. Now we'll do cat-cow pose. Come on your hands and knees round your back like a cat, then lift your chest and drop your spine down. This move makes the spine flexible. Next step is cobra stretch. Lie down on your stomach. Place hands under your shoulders and slowly lift your chest upward. Back muscles get relaxed. The fourth exercise is Swimmer and Superman. Lying on your stomach, lift both arms and legs together as if you're flying. Hold and then bring them down. This makes the lower back strong. Left now, let's do lying twist left. Lie on your back, bend both knees and move them to the left side. Keep your shoulders flat on the ground. Right now, do the same move on the right side. This twist releases the back on both sides. Next exercise is knee to chest stretch left. Pull your left knee gently towards your chest while keeping the other leg relaxed. to chest stretch, right? And now pull your right knee towards your chest and feel the stretch. Simple and effective. Next step is bridge. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and slowly lift your hips upward. Hold, then lower down. Both back and glutes get stronger. All right, friends, that's the end of today's back pain routine. If you practice these exercises daily, you'll definitely feel the difference. For best results, don't forget to do 3 rounds in the morning. And yes, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and support us. Thank you so much.